The world you're in. Today's 20-minute trading session is a little bit earlier than normal. It's because we haven't really got much big news happening in the US today. So I'm not watching the market open, but what I'm doing is just having a quick look at the news. Nothing really. I've already analysed the news today. I know nothing really is going on for the dollar today. Tomorrow we have the Bank of Japan. We have Japanese yen and a bit of red news here. So we've got Bank of Japan press conference and monetary policy statement as well. On Wednesday, we have CPI data for CAD. So CAD, Canadian dollars, median CPI, trim CPI, common CPI year on year. So quite a lot of news on Wednesday to do with the Canadian dollar. And then on Wednesday as well, we have the CB consumer confidence, and that is the US dollar, 3 p.m. And then Friday, we have some more CAD, Canadian dollar, GDP. And we have US dollar, core price, PCE price index, month to month. So there's a bit of news. It's going to be related to my gold and silver. Obviously, we're getting very close to Christmas, so plan to be out of all trades really towards the end of the week. But in terms of gold and silver, I'm probably going to run it right up until there's a possibility gold might climb higher above 1800 by close of play on Friday. So we'll see what happens. You know, it all depends on the dollar. But in the meantime, we also have natural gas storage on Thursday at 3:30 London time. Okay, it's not a red news, but it's natural gas storage, and this is a trade that I want to talk to you about and show you, because I have literally just bought a load of natural gas about 10 minutes ago. Okay, now I bought at $6.0. Let's just take a photo of that and show you. So I bought at 6. So you can see, remember this is a Windows PC over here. That's why it's on MetaTrader. I'm currently on a Mac, so that's why I can't put my MetaTrader on onto this Mac. So that's why I'm taking a photo of it and sending it to you, showing to you. But you can see here, I've bought down here because of this gap, and the price on my broker over there is slightly different to the broker we've got here. So currently we're at 6058 on that one. On this broker, we're currently at 6.114. So we're a few cents out. It's actually lower on my one over there. Let's have a look at that. There you go. There's a video of me, but you can see on the chart around here, you can see that natural gas has gapped down. Now I knew on Friday that natural gas was going to gap down because my broker called me and told me there's a contract rollover. Now the contract rollover was a gap. Now normally with the contract rollover, if you bought here, then you've been in negative, obviously, on your buying position, but you've been a positive with your swap. But instead of doing that, the contract rollover, what I've done is I've waited for today to see what's happening with natural gas, and obviously it's likely that the gap will close and the price will go back up to here. But also, I like the fact that I'm buying natural gas right down here, and we're in the winter, you see. So if I look at that price, okay, we're around the six mark. It's low. There is support if you want to go technical. I mean, it's fundamental driven, remember, with this. But yeah, my natural gas is in profit. I've got 4 trades on, and soon I will be locking in some profits, and I will be locking in the stop losses for potentially a break even to start with, and then moving my stop losses up. But I've got 4 trades on. I manage them in a certain way so that we're always at break even once we get a bit higher, you see. And you lock in a bit of profit on this one, and then you have your stop loss, which will be, once the profit is locked in on 2 of the trades, the amount of profit that's locked in can be the size of the stop losses. So you're guaranteed to not lose anything. As a way of managing trades, I manage them with potentially 4 trades at a time, and it works pretty well because you're eliminating your risk as soon as possible, basically. So, natural gas is the trade that I've just taken. This is why I am running this Facebook Live and this YouTube Live now, just simply because it's not my usual time for trading. I normally trade later on. So what we can do, that's probably almost it, really. I mean, obviously I want to be watching gold. I am watching gold. I'm watching silver. You know, I'm in gold and silver, so I'm waiting again on what's going to happen with the dollar, whether the dollar's going to drop further. If the dollar drops further, then gold and silver will climb. So we have that. I'm not even going to look at anything else. I mean, we've got stocks. I'm a bit unsure what's going on with stocks at the moment, so this is why I'm not mentioning stocks and not getting involved in stocks. Because, I mean, Tesla, actually, Tesla's space program did actually have a successful launch, I believe, over the weekend. So it's not Tesla, it's Elon Musk's SpaceX. So actually, SpaceX probably going to open higher. So let's have a look. Okay, not sure where that is, can't find it, so not worry about it. I'm not going to buy it anyway. I mean, that's quite a nice position for PayPal. That is back in my buy zone. However, it could come down a lot lower. There's got to be a reason why Starbucks, ABT, Walmart, they're all pulling back nicely, but remember, it's stocks. Stocks can jump, they can jump all over the place. So I think really, lead up to Christmas, I'm just going to wait on stocks and stick to my gold, my silver, my natural gas, and oil. Now, oil, I got into oil last week, right down here. I then traded up to here, and I got out right about there. So I did very well out of oil. on Tuesday last week. So once I have a bit more of a clear indication on whether we are bouncing back up, that's when I potentially will go into oil again. But I need to look at the fundamentals. Remember, oil, gold, silver, all these, the dollar, they are all influenced by fundamentals rather than technicals. So what is the reason why oil is going to go back up? Or is it more likely? Is it more likely that it's going to go down? Who knows? So I'm going to finish today. So the only trade for today in our 11 minutes that we've been trading today is natural gas. But remember, don't copy me. Don't take natural gas now because it's a bit late. It's already moved, so I'm already in profit. Yeah, 4 trades on, all in profit. But I think there's a possibility that this gap will close. So this gap from here to here, or this gap from here to here. So really, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to actually place my take profits for those trades. One of them there, where the gap closed. So I'm measuring on my Windows PC. Now, the gap closed on Friday at 6.599, so 6.6. So there's 6.6. So it closed. It paused at 6.304. 6.304. So I'm going to do one trade to there. Take profit, that is. So take profit at 6.304. Remember, on this chart here, the price is different. So 6.304 on that chart over here, the price is actually 6.405. And then the next one, six point six. Okay, so there's two. Okay. So 6.6 on that one because that's a close on that particular broker. This broker is 6.4. But I'm in already. So, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to potentially manage my take profits. If the price does continue to go up, it might turn around and go back down here. And, you know, we're in for a, you know, we might get stopped out. Who knows? But I like the fact that there's a gap here. And if that gap does close, then it's more likely that the gap will close. And the other thing to look at as well, the price is obviously quite low at the moment. So that gap might close up to there, and then I'm out the trade on one of the trades. Okay. Okay, and that concludes my 20-minute trading session for today. We are a bit under time, which is good. So we only done 16 minutes today. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.